station lights. The LED gas station lights, we have 60 watt, 100 watt, 130 watt, and 150 watt. And you can see from here, this is our gas station lights. It's built with the plastic frame and pure aluminum die-casting heatsink. And this type of lamp is external driver. So this is the driver, this is the external driver. And we will also put the additional mounting accessory for you, the screws. So while you install this lamp, please make sure to connect driver first and then connect lamp, or it will be easily fail. This is the inside driver. It is the middleware driver we build inside. If you have any other demand of the driver, we will use other driver as well. Or sometimes if the lead time issue, we will use other driver for you. If the lead time is so long for this kind of driver. So we can see from here the inside is the Lumens 3030 LED chip, and the design is very like the CPY250 series. So if you choose this lamp, you can use in the gas station or any places you like this design. Okay, thank you.